Welcome to the construction of the Bonner Springs Water Treatment Plant. My name is Dana Hinderleiter. I'm the project manager for Burns McDonnell. We are approximately 1 year into construction of this new facility, and right now we're standing in your new well. The city had 4 existing wells, and we added 1 more for additional capacity of the facility. So we are designing a facility that can treat up to 2 million gallons a day with the ability to expand to 3 million gallons a day in treatment. Currently, the city produces around 800,000 gallons a day of water during the winter months and can produce up to 1.5 to 1.6 million gallons a day during the peak summer months. So this facility has lots of room for expansion and opportunities for growth. So where does your water come from? This is a groundwater well that pulls from the Kansas River alluvium. And what's in your water? The main things that we're looking to remove through this treatment process are hardness and minerals. So those are the things that can create clogging in the distribution system, that cause you to use more soap at home, can cause buildup in your shower heads and other items like that. We also have iron and manganese that are present in the groundwater supply. Now those create red water at the tap. They can also create a bitter or metallic taste to your drinking water. So they're all taste and aesthetic things that we're trying to remove to provide a really good quality and good tasting drinking water for you. So we just came from the well, and now we're inside at the new water treatment plant that's under construction here for Bonner Springs. The olive green pipe behind me is where the raw water is coming in from the wells, and it's going into these tan green sand tanks behind me. So they are a pressurized filter it's very similar to what the city's existing treatment process is. We have more capacity with these new tanks. They are here to remove iron and manganese from the water, as well as any particulates or turbidity, anything that can make your water cloudy. So following the green sand process, we move into the nanofiltration. The nanofiltration process, this is where we're removing the hardness from the water. So the water coming in here has about 400 milligrams per liter of hardness. That's considered a very hard water. Our treatment goal here is to get us down to 150 milligrams per liter, which would be considered moderately hard. And that's pretty equivalent to what Water One produces and several of the other municipalities around the area. Very typical for a softened water plant in this region. We can't remove everything from the water. We do need some minerals like calcium, and those are things that we need as people just in our bodies. So 30% of the water actually bypasses the nanofiltration process, and that's how we produce a really stable water and non-corrosive that goes into the distribution system. It's really the improvement that the City of Bonner Springs has made for its customers. So after our nanofiltration process, we have to disinfect the water. And so that means adding chlorine in order to keep any bacterial growth or from occurring within the distribution system. So the city has a 500,000 gallon storage tank that sits outside where that contact time for disinfection occurs. From there, these pumps behind me pump all of the clean, finished water into the distribution system. The city has over 50 miles of pipe that they must maintain, as well as multiple booster pump stations, elevated storage tanks, and all the valves and fire hydrants that are necessary to provide a good, clean, safe drinking water for you at home. Well, that concludes the tour here at the new Bonner Springs Water Treatment Plant. This facility was really designed and constructed with the future in mind, looking for opportunities for growth within Bonner Springs, independence in their water infrastructure, as well as providing stable rates for the consumer, for the city. And we really look forward to turning this facility on late summer of 2024.